So, you want to purchase your first home, but you aren't sure where to start the process. I get this question a lot, and in this video, I'll walk you through the main steps to buying your first home. Hi everybody, Marissa aka Mimi here. I'm a Massachusetts-based realtor. If you're thinking about buying your first home and not really sure where to start and what are the key steps to purchasing your first home, please watch the video till the end, and you'll have a solid understanding about the whole process. So stay tuned. I compiled a list here for you that bullet points all the main parts of the home buying process from start to close, and we will go through each of these steps now. Select your lender and a real estate professional. You will want to establish your lender and pick a real estate agent or vice versa. Your lender may have a referral for you, or your real estate agent may know some great lenders you can contact as well. I'll go into how to pick your lender and how to pick a real estate professional in another video. Both are important initially. The agent to help guide you, and the lender because having a pre-approval is important. This gives you an idea of what you can purchase without stretching yourself too thin. And in this fast-moving market, you cannot make an offer without a pre-approval or proof of funds. Decide on your must-have and nice-to-have. Now that you know your budget, you can make a list of your must-haves and what you would like to have so you're aware of both. There are certain line items that you absolutely cannot do without, but there are things you may be okay with not having in your new home. Establishing a clear line can help keep your expectations in check when looking at properties, and also helps you not miss out on an opportunity that might be great. Put in your offer to purchase. Now you found a property you love. Your realtor or agent will be able to put together an offer to purchase for you. Here in the greater Boston area, we have an offer to purchase contract, which differs from a purchase and sale contract that many other regions and states start out initially with their offer. I will go into more details about what is an offer and what it entails in another video. Offers go with an earnest check, which is typically around $1,000, but can go up to any amount. It's to show good faith in putting this offer and to bind the offer once accepted. This is held in an escrow account until closing. The due diligence period. Once your offer is accepted by the seller, this is the period of time that you establish, which you outline in your offer to purchase or purchase sale contract, to basically check everything out. Meaning, if you have an inspection, this would be the time when you get the home inspected, and if you are purchasing a condo, this would be the time to review all condo docs, such as, but not limited to, finances, budgets, and minutes as well. Purchase and sale contract. So everything checks out, and you're ready for the next step, which is to sign the purchase and sale contract. The attorneys on both sides of the sale will draw up a mutually agreed upon purchase and sale contract, aka P&S. It outlines major timelines and monetary compensation for non-performance and other items that can help protect both buyers and sellers. This is where you give the larger deposit, which is typically 5% of your purchase price minus the earnest deposit. Like the earnest, this is held in an escrow account until closing. At closing, this deposit becomes part of your down payment or credited towards your closing costs if you are availing of low or no down payment programs such as USDA or VA. Be aware that this deposit acts as protection for the seller as well in the case of terminating the contract without any valid reasons outlined in the P&S or offer. Submit your full mortgage application. Once you send the P&S, you'll want to submit your full mortgage application if you haven't already done so. This is everything that is needed from you to build a profile that will allow for the lender to be able to approve or issue your financing for your new home. The period of time from P&S to your lender giving full commitment can vary. Some can do it within 15 days, while others usually might take 40 days or longer. Getting your mortgage commitment. Once all the background work is done, i.e. title search and completed financial profile, you will receive the loan commitment and a clear to close, which is the official letter from the lender that says they will be committing to financing the property for you and the okay to close the home. You would usually get this within a week of closing and many times sooner depending on the mortgage lender. Final walkthrough. We are almost there. Final step before the closing table is to do the final walkthrough, in which we make sure the home is in the same condition as you saw it on your initial tours and inspection. That all items that were agreed on remains, and any repairs that were negotiated has been made. Take your time here. Check the plumbing, turn appliances on and off, really take a good look to make sure you are satisfied with the condition of the home you're getting and it matches your initial tour.
Closing day.
Finally, we get to closing day. Yay! This is the day we have been waiting for. You will likely spend around 30 to 60 minutes signing the closing documents. The attorney will go over and explain everything you will be signing. It's a lot of signing, and each lender is different. I had a client count around 35 signatures required once. Once all documents have been signed, it is sent to the county your property is in for recording. Once the deed is recorded, congrats! The home is officially yours and you can get the keys. These were just the main highlight of the buying process. Each transaction is different and may have their own nuance. That is why it is helpful to have a professional guide you through every step.
If you have any questions at all, drop a comment below or just reach out to me directly. I have provided my contact information here and in the video description. Whether you decide to use my services or not, I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you know someone who is looking to buy their first home, please share this video. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.